Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How to install Twitter or X app in Android mobile. So, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Play Store. Open now. Step 2. You can see bottom right corner search and Twitter search. Step 3. You can see X app install. Install, click on it. Waiting for installing. Step 4. X app successfully install. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.